Off-road enthusiasts need a reliable source of light during their adventures at night. But with so many lighting options available, it can be challenging to choose the right one. However, the rigid light bar stands out as an exceptional choice due to its advanced features and benefits. The rigid light bar uses spectre optics, which provide the highest quality of LED illumination. The light beam is broad and flat, covering a vast area to provide optimal visibility at night. You can easily customize beam patterns to suit your off-road driving needs. You can choose from different patterns, including spot, flood, and combo, and adjust the beam width according to the driving conditions. It features a rugged aluminum housing and a polycarbonate lens that can resist impacts, dust, and water. It comes with convenient control options that make it easy to operate. You can use a wireless device or a smartphone app to switch on off the light, change the beam pattern, and adjust the brightness. The rigid adapt LED light bar is highly energy efficient, consuming minimal power compared to other lighting solutions. It is designed to provide long-lasting performance without draining your vehicle's battery.